In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see who visited your Threads account. You can simply know who viewed your Threads profile in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Threads app. On your profile page, tap on these two lines. Then select the option of account. On this page, you will have to select on the option of download your information. You will have to wait for it to load. Then request a download. An email will be sent to you shortly after the data request. You will have to furthermore download your data. You will see information and data of accounts that viewed your Threads profile for the past 3 months. That's how easy it is to know who viewed your Threads profile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.